people sitting in the audience, seeing a camera in the audience. I think you're right. I think it may have some effect on how open they are with their responses.
And right now at the moment, we're still waiting for a decision from Judge Ann Bailey Smith here in Louisville on whether cameras are going to be allowed in the courtroom during the jury selection process of the former police officer for LMPD, Brett Hankison. WHS 11's Heather Fontaine has been covering the remote hearing this morning. She's joining us live from the Judicial Center downtown. Heather, any idea what kind of access the news media and reporters will have for this process?
Well, Judge Ann Bailey Smith appeared to be against banning the media completely from this jury selection process, but she did seem to suggest that there may be some provisions put in place. Again, we are still waiting on her final decision of how the handling of this process is going to go. The hearing happened at 11 o'clock this morning, and it did happen over the phone. So ironically enough, the only ones inside the courtroom today were the judge and our cameras.
Goal in filing this motion is not to start a war with the media. Rather, my goal is to do everything in my power to ensure that Brett Hankison can be tried by a jury that is fair, that's impartial, and that's unbiased.
Defense attorney Stuart Matthews filed the motion last Friday, arguing that because this case is high profile, he's concerned that coverage inside the courtroom during jury selection could affect the responses of jury members who have yet to be questioned.
I would ask you to, at the very least, place some restraint on the media coverage.
Media outlets have always been instructed to point cameras away from jurors to protect their identity. That's standard procedure. An attorney representing some members of the press argued the importance of our coverage in the hearing.
It instills faith in the process. It gives the public confidence that a fair and impartial jury has selected.
We cannot just close down individual voir dire.
The jury selection process for this case is an extensive one and begins on Friday. First, narrowing the pool from 250 potential jurors to 50. Individual questioning of each potential juror is expected to start next Tuesday.
21 jurors each day from Tuesday through Friday for the next 3 weeks.
Then, on February 22nd, they will choose 12 jurors with 3 or 4 alternates from that group of 50.
I will be telling them on Friday to avoid any kind of media regarding this case, and I have to believe that they will follow the court's order.
Brett Hankison was also on the line this morning during the remote hearing. He is charged with 3 counts of wanton endangerment, but remember, none of his charges are directly connected to the killing of Breonna Taylor. Instead, they are for allegedly firing shots into neighboring homes. Live in Louisville, I'm Heather Fontaine, WHAS 11 on your side.